Drop it. And we're here at Pet Supermarket getting Jango's next toy. This time we want to get him something fluffy, something that's not rubber, but something that still squeaks. A little less durable than the last one, but still very durable. Those squeaks sound a little bit too weak. I don't know what this is. Right here. Oh, kind of like that one. I like this. I like how it's like fluffy. That one's pretty nice. I like how it has like a wrapping sound. It's kind of like wrapping paper, but it also has a squeak. I think this is the winner right here. Canine Tuff Guard. Charming the toys dogs crave. So one Tuff toy. Non-rip lining. Okay, I don't know if I believe that, but we'll give it a try. Double stitched seams. Canine Tuff at ripping point. $9. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. All right, here we are. We just got back to the house. I'm about to give Jango his second toy on Jango Reviews Toys. And Jango seems pretty excited. And there's Jango.
Nice!
Okay. Calm down, buddy. Sit. The excitement level seems pretty good. Good boy. Good boy. He's looking for a weak spot. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, he found the weak spot. Good boy. Oh, arm's gone.
Arm's gone.
So the arm of the toy is gone within, I'd say, about a minute. He still hears the heart beating, so that's why he's excited. Well, the toy is not non-rip. I would say the non-rip theory has a fault in it. He's chewing through the toughest part of the toy. Is what he's doing. And he just tore through it. He's working his way towards the heart.
Good.
What?
Plastic. And squeaker is out.
Sit. Stay. Good stay. This has been about, I would say, 4 minutes, and the toy no longer has a heart. And
he still wants it, though.
He definitely still wants it. So I'm gonna give it to him, but the toy is basically destroyed. He got the heart out of it, the squeaker. Still slightly squeaks, but we noticed this plastic. This is what gives it that crinkly sound. That came out of it. That was one of the first things to come out of it. So you just want to, if you buy your dog this toy, you want to watch closely as they play with it and rip it up, because this plastic probably could be harmful, especially if he swallows it. So here we are a week later, and the toy is completely destroyed. It actually only lasted about a half hour. He had this toy completely shredded, ripped apart, all stuffing out, and the squeaker destroyed within 20 to 30 minutes. I mean, the toy was ripped open within the first 5 minutes. As far as durability goes, this toy was at the bottom of the list. Affordability, I'd say it was right there on lower to mid. And excitement level, it created extreme excitement, but only for a short period of time. As you can see, he's laying there right now. He doesn't care about this toy anymore. But yeah, so if you want to get your dog a toy that's going to be really exciting for a very brief period of time, this is the toy to get him.